It's me, Angie, and and today I'm here with my roommate and her little sister. So my roommate is Angelina.
I like jumping stuff.
Best friends, best bros. So yeah.
BFF.
BFF.
That's just
Alright, so then her sister Violetta, come on.
Come on.
Hi guys.
Alrighty, so today we're going to be doing the Try Not to Laugh challenge. Tag.
I'm so pissed off, so I'm gonna laugh.
Okay, the Try Not to Laugh challenge tag. So because we're gonna tag some people. So everybody, who's gonna go first? Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Okay, so we played rock, paper, scissors, and I won. So yeah.
That was the first one.
Yeah.
Such a loser.
Alright, so let's do this.
Oh, fuck.
So also I'm going to be making you guys laugh with them.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm bad at this. I mean, I'm an LPS.
I almost laughed. That was a close one. I can't hold it. Oh my god.
That's a win. Point Angela. Okay, who's next? Next is Angelina because she laughed last.
I couldn't hold it in.
Oh my
Did I
god.
win?
Yeah.
Oh my
We're
god.
so pathetic.
That wasn't
Okay.
funny for you, right?
Let's go.
Okay. Wait. We need to do that again.
So they
Okay,
laughed.
let's do that again because that didn't count. 3,
I didn't count.
2, 1.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
I kind of want to laugh because, like, the way you look. I just can't.
Yeah.
She's laughing at herself.
I don't know why I'm so pissed off. Oh, my body was turned around like.
Okay.
I don't know what am I doing with my life.
I'm not laughing yet.
No. Do you want to express myself? Oh fuck.
Oh my.
I'm taking a shower.
Do
Oh
you
my
want
god.
to express? Okay, Violetta's turn. We laughed at Angelina, so Violetta laughed last.
Hi guys. I'm Violetta.
Okay, that didn't
Point
count.
for me.
And
Okay. Oh no, she's dead. Okay. You fucker. Okay, I got it. We're sorry, guys.
She's
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh. No, don't.
Hi
Okay.
guys. I'm Violetta.
Oh. I fall.
Okay, for real now. Go ahead, Violetta.
You see what I
What?
Okay,
Oh,
that
fuck.
didn't count. We're laughing at each other. So, okay, Violetta, go ahead.
It's so funny. You're not. Oh my
She's
god.
laughing. She's laughing at herself.
Oh no! Did that count?
Yes. Oh my god. Okay. I laughed
Get out
last.
of here.
I left. You ready? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
I'm a singing salmon spinning all day jamming. I'm a singing salmon spinning all day jamming. I'm a singing salmon spinning all day jamming. You can find me. She just like spit on my head. Okay, that didn't count. Okay. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay.
No,
Okay.
don't express yourself. That's my joke.
My credit card.
Oh my god, why am I laughing so much?
That's gone. So.
Okay. It's my turn.
No, she left last.
Come
Oh,
on.
alright, it's your turn.
Okay.
Let's
No, I
go.
forgot my joke.
I'm Violetta.
Shut the fuck. I'm sorry. Bad words.
Okay.
I forgot what I want to...
Did that count? I just laughed.
No.
Okay.
I forgot what I want to say.
Yeah.
We're
I'm
sorry,
sorry.
guys.
It's
I
crazy.
lost my sister.
Oh, here's
there
your
she is.
shit
Okay,
back.
yay.
Okay.
I forgot my joke. Wait, I have an idea.
Baby.
No! Wait, I have an idea. I want free whatever it is. Oh my god, I'm like...
Oh my god.
Want
Okay.
My nose say
Okay, so it's my turn. I mean, it's Violetta's turn. But Violetta's not laughing. She's
Yeah,
so-
she's a kind of horse. Oh, I have this little
Okay.
in my ear. Look at this.
Go.
I.
Go ahead.
I'm Violetta.
You're not funny.
Câu suy gì? Câu gì cho chúng ta?
What did you say again?
Hey guys, I'm Violetta. Who's the Mula? Zuga.
You're not funny.
Violetta.
Dude, yeah.
My turn.
We're sorry about that.
Poo stains.
Oh my god. Wait, I just hit my back.
Angelina wins. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. And special thanks to Violetta and Angelina for being in this video. I am so excited to see you guys in the next video. Love you.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
and give a like.
Yeah.
Hit the like button with your nose.
Yeah.
Like this.
Challenge for you.
Yeah. And next episode we'll probably do the challenge.
Yeah.
Butter challenge. What is it called? The cinnamon
No.
challenge.
No,
Or what?
but we are waiting. We are waiting for Sophie.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
See you guys later. Bye.
See you guys. Bye.